Welcome to today's creative session. If you're ready to take your fashion brand to the next level, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to plan and initiate the production of a short fashion film that truly reflects your brand's lifestyle, vision, and identity. This isn't just about style. It's about storytelling, teamwork, and strategic planning. Let's get started. Step 1. Define your brand's identity. Before the camera starts rolling, clarity is everything. Ask yourself, what does your brand stand for? Who are you speaking to? Is your vibe edgy streetwear, minimalist elegance, or Afro-futuristic glam? Your brand identity is the heartbeat of your film. Start by outlining your brand's core values, target audience, tone, and visual style. This will guide every creative choice, from color palettes to music. Step 2. Storytelling and concept development. Now that your identity is clear, it's time to build your concept. Remember, every strong fashion film tells a story, even without dialogue. Think in themes: rebirth, power, freedom, transformation. What narrative reflects your brand's soul? Ask these key questions. What emotion do I want the viewer to feel? What journey or message am I sharing? Will there be a central character, or is it visual-driven? Sketch out a basic storyboard. Even stick figures work. Visual storytelling is the heart of fashion film. Use it to create mood, tension, and desire. Step 3. Assembling your team. Fashion film is not a solo project. Teamwork is essential. You'll need a small but powerful crew. Start with creative director, likely you, leading the vision. Cinematographer, to handle visuals. Stylist, even if that's you too. Production assistant, to help manage the shoot. If you're in a school or workshop setting, collaborate with classmates. Share roles, but stick to a plan. Hold a team meeting to assign tasks, discuss the vision, and align schedules. Communication is your superpower here. Step 4. Production planning. Planning is what separates amateurs from pros. Start with your production schedule. Set your filming dates. Scout your locations: indoors, outdoors, studio. Create a shot list, every scene, angle, and transition. Make a budget. Even if it's zero, plan how you'll use existing resources. Clothes, phones, natural light, friends as models. Prepare a wardrobe lineup and bring backups. Don't forget permits if you're shooting in public, and always charge your gear the night before. Step 5. Marketing and launch strategy. Your fashion film is more than an art piece. It's a marketing tool. Start building buzz before you even shoot. Share BTS, behind the scenes, content. Post teasers and countdowns. Involve your audience in the process. Once the film is ready, launch it across platforms that fit your brand. Instagram, YouTube, your website. Consider hosting a small online premiere or live Q&A. Tag relevant influencers or fashion bloggers. This is your visual business card. Make it unforgettable. Creating a fashion film is one of the most exciting and powerful ways to express and market your brand. It takes vision, planning, and teamwork, but the result is worth it. Remember, tell a story that feels true to your brand. Stay organized and work as a team. Now it's your turn. Grab your camera, build your team, and bring your brand to life on screen. Don't just sell fashion. Create a visual experience. See you in the credits. Please like, share, and subscribe if this video was helpful and you'd like to see more.